Bonjour, monsieur. Bonjour, monsieur, dame. Hey, folks. Chef Kazi here, and I'm in my home kitchen. So today, I'm going to make fish curry. It's not actually curry, it's stew kind of. But before I do that, I had a situation, I had a little issue. I didn't upload any videos for 3 weeks. Neither in YouTube, neither in TikTok, neither Instagram, neither Facebook Reel. So finally, all caused the Samsung DeX, because soon as I upgrade the 7.0 Samsung DeX, I mean the software or Samsung phone, I got Galaxy S24 Ultra. I'm done. So anyway, I got different monitor, then it's working now. It's working. So I'm gonna start uploading video again, right? So today I'm doing it. You see, my throat is, I was sick for a few days also. So anyway, so today we're going to do the fish, and this fish is just salmon. So I make like a stew or with a curry spice with some vegetable, so you can have some veggie also, and I'm going to make steamed rice or pilaf rice, like a plain pilaf rice. How about if I make some lentil? Huh? Let's do that. So I'm going to, before I fry, I put some turmeric powder. And salt. So here you go. I put cup of red lentil, red garlic, turmeric powder, half teaspoon, roasted jeera, half teaspoon, and the Himalayan pink salt, 1 teaspoon. That's it. So let it cook, and I don't put any fat on it, I mean oil or butter or anything. Let it cook. Yellow pepper, 1 onion medium size, 1 zucchini, that's all I found in the fridge. Broccoli, 1 tomato, that's the vegetable, 1 teaspoon of ginger and 1 teaspoon of garlic crusted. We did it here. Here I got 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of roasted jeera, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, and this is the magic here. I was doing the live show one day in International Center by the airport, and one person came and introduced to me about her spice, and this is fine Arabian spice. So I'm going to try this one, okay? Chopping and cutting, I use this knife. For the fish, I will use this. You need right knife for right stuff, you know. Let me show you the fish. This is the fish. So I'm going to slice it with bone, spice up, lightly fried in the fry pan, and then I make the stew, right? Okay, the rice is unsalted butter, okay? So my lentil is almost done, Daal. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give the burger, and this will be the Bengali burger. Fried rice should be al dente. This is the sliced onion. Folks, this is bad boy. I dump it here. New camera I got. I had Insta 360 Yes. Good. When I do cooking in my restaurant, it's different. Lots of room and all the good equipment also. Rice is done. Fish, and he brought it. So I'm going to give him some fish also to try. So half of the fish already I fried. One teaspoon ginger, 1 teaspoon garlic. Now here, teaspoon each cayenne pepper, coriander, roasted cumin, turmeric, and those Arabian spice. There you go. Be careful with oil. Look how much oil is here. This is the hot water. One teaspoon, tablespoon. Now put this thing nicely. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cover it and I go to my garden. Oh, look nice. There you go. This is the lentil. Is it okay? Yeah, let's try. The rest is here. And remember the bad boy here? Okay, cover it for another, I give another 15 minutes, we'll be ready. So I'll go away now because I have to do some clean the kitchen now. I have to wash this. Very nice, I love it. Now for fish. Very nice. Good. Alright folks, you see the video now. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. If you didn't subscribe yet, hit the like button, press the bell button, share the video. Without you, I'm nobody. So I start again after 3 weeks. So have a nice day.